Is your pellet stove glass turning black so fast you can barely see the fire anymore? Most folks figure that's just part of the deal. Or worse, that the glass is ruined and they're stuck with it. Here's the truth. That's not even regular glass in your door. It's a ceramic pane, rated past 1400 degrees, cut to fit your exact stove. And 9 times out of 10, the black smearing across it is trying to tell you something, not ruin anything. Stick with me for a few minutes and you'll know what that glass really is, why it blackens and why it cracks, how to keep it crystal clear, and how to tell soot that wipes right off from damage that's there for good. Plus a few FAQs at the end that surprise even seasoned stove owners. Safety first. Unplug the stove and let it cool all the way down before you touch the glass. That pane holds heat long after the fire's out, and if it's already cracked, the edges are sharp enough to open up your hand. Cord out of the wall, fully cold, every time. Part 1. What it is and how it works. Let's clear up what that window in your stove door actually is, because it's not what most people think. Meet your stove glass. You'll also hear it called the door glass, the viewing glass, ceramic glass, or by brand names like Neoceram and Robax. And here's the first surprise. It isn't really glass at all. It's a glass ceramic, a special material built to take direct flame and shrug off heat that would shatter an ordinary window pane in seconds. It's cut to the exact shape of your stove door, often with those clipped or notched corners. And it does 2 jobs at once. It lets you watch the fire, and it seals the firebox so your stove can draw air the right way. When it blackens, clouds over, or cracks, you lose your view, and sometimes a lot more than that. Let's look at what holds that window together. Number 1. The ceramic pane itself, a thin sheet about 3/16 of an inch thick, clear so you can watch your flame. Number 2. The cut corners and custom shape. Your glass is sized for your stove and nothing else, which is exactly why no universal pane just drops in. Number 3. The glass gasket, the flat rope or tape seal running around the edge. It cushions the glass off bare metal and seals the door so air pulls through your burn pot instead of leaking around the pane. And number 4. The retaining clips, the little brackets that hold it to the door. Snug is the word, never cranked tight, because the glass has to be free to expand when it heats up. Part 2. Common failures. 2 things take a stove glass out, and neither one is what people usually blame. Number 1. Cracks and chips. And here's the part that catches everybody off guard. It's almost never the heat. This glass laughs at the temperatures inside your firebox. What actually breaks it is mechanical stress. A retaining clip torqued down too tight, a door slammed shut, a log or a poker tapping the pane, or a bit of grit pinched between the glass and the frame. Number 2. Clouding and etching. Black creosote and soot you can wipe away, but a milky white haze that won't come off is a different animal. That's the surface itself getting etched, usually from a scratchy pad, the wrong cleaner, or oven cleaner that should never touch it. One failure you prevent with a gentle hand. The other you prevent by leaving the harsh stuff in the cabinet. When a stove glass cracks, the fire almost never did it. Glass ceramic is rated for temperatures far hotter than your firebox ever reaches, so heat alone won't break it. Nearly every cracked pane comes down to mechanical stress, and the number 1 culprit is a retaining clip cranked down too tight, pinning the glass so it can't expand. The fire heats it, the glass tries to grow, the clip won't let it, and it splits. So before you blame your stove, look at the clips. A pane of ceramic glass is a low-cost part. Chasing a phantom heat problem that was never there will cost you a whole lot more in time and aggravation. Part 3. Maintenance. 3 habits that keep your glass clear, sealed, and in one piece. Habit number 1. Clean the glass the gentle way and do it cold. Once a week through burning season, wipe the inside of the pane down with a damp paper towel. Here's the old shop trick. Dip that damp towel in a little fine wood ash from your own firebox. Ash is a mild natural polish. It cuts baked-on soot without scratching a thing. A dedicated stove glass cleaner works too. What you never reach for is an abrasive pad, steel wool, or oven cleaner. Those leave permanent scratches and that milky haze we just talked about. 2 minutes a week and you keep a clear view all winter. Habit number 2. Check the glass gasket at the start of every season. That's the flat seal running around the edge of the pane. Run your finger along it. If it's flattened, hardened, frayed, or crumbling, it's not sealing anymore. A tired gasket lets air sneak in around the glass instead of pulling through your burn pot. And that does 2 things. It blackens your glass faster, and it lets the pane rattle and chatter. Replacing it is a quick job, and the gasket is one of the cheapest parts in the whole stove. 5 minutes in the fall saves you a sooty, rattling door come January. Habit number 3. When you reseat the glass, give it room to breathe. After you clean it or swap a gasket, those retaining clips go back snug, not cranked. The glass has to be free to expand a hair when it heats up. Pin it down hard, and you've set up the exact crack we covered earlier. Tighten each clip until it just holds the pane firm against the gasket. Then stop. If a clip is bent, rusted, or stripped, replace it. It costs pennies. 30 seconds of restraint with the screwdriver is the cheapest crack insurance there is. Part 4. Troubleshooting. 3 things your glass does when something's off, and will climb from a free fix all the way up to a full replacement. Symptom number 1. Your glass blackens up fast, all over, sometimes within a single day of burning. Before you blame the glass, this one's almost always your fire, not your window. A dark, lazy, smoky flame coats the pane in soot, and that points to poor combustion, low air, a dirty or clogged burn pot, or cheap high-ash pellets. So start cheap. Clean the glass, scrub out the burn pot, open up your air setting, and try a better bag of pellets. 9 times out of 10, the glass stays clear once the fire burns clean and bright again. No parts, no money, about 15 minutes and a good flame. Symptom number 2. A cloudy white haze that just won't wipe away, no matter how hard you scrub, even with the glass cold and the fire running clean. This isn't dirt anymore. The surface of the glass has been etched permanently, usually by an abrasive pad, a harsh chemical, or hard water minerals baked on over time. No cleaner on earth brings an etched pane back to clear, so this one gets replaced. The good news is, ceramic glass is a low-cost part, and the swap takes about 20 minutes. Just promise yourself one thing: go gentle on the new one, or you'll cloud it the same way. Symptom number 3, the one you don't ignore. You've got a crack, a chip, or a corner missing. A cracked pane is done, and you should not run the stove with it. It leaks air, the crack can spread under heat, and a breached firebox can push smoke and carbon monoxide into your room. Replace it now, and you already know the fire almost certainly didn't do this, so find the mechanical cause before the new glass goes in. Back off any over-tight clips, check for grit in the frame, and ease that door shut from now on. While you're in there, replace the glass gasket too. It's cheap, and it's already out. A low-cost part, and about half an hour buys back a safe, clear door. Part 5. A few quick FAQs. The questions we get at the counter about stove glass that don't come up anywhere else. Can I just cut a piece of regular glass to fit and save a few bucks? Short answer, absolutely not, and please don't try. Ordinary window glass, even tempered glass, can't handle the direct, sustained heat of a firebox. It'll crack or shatter, and that's a real hazard with a live fire behind it. Your door needs true high-temperature ceramic glass, the glass ceramic we talked about, cut to your stove's exact shape. Match it to your make and model, and you get a pane that fits right and takes the heat, every time. Why does my glass go black in just one spot, one corner, or one side, while the rest stays clear? Great question, because that pattern is a clue. Even, all over soot is a combustion thing, but blackening in one isolated area usually means air is leaking in right there, most often through a worn or gapped section of the glass gasket. That little leak disturbs the wash of air that's supposed to sweep the pane clean, so soot piles up in that one zone. Check the gasket along the dirty edge. If it's flattened or missing there, a fresh gasket usually clears it right up. Will my glass ever look brand new again? It depends entirely on what you're looking at. And this is the one trick that saves people from buying glass they don't need. Black, brown, that hazy creosote film, that's all carbon, and carbon wipes off. Cold glass, damp towel, a little ash, and it comes back clear. But a milky white cloud that won't budge is etching, and etching is in the glass for good. So before you order a new pane, give it one proper cold cleaning. If the black lifts, you're done. If a white haze stays behind, that's your sign. It's time for a replacement. Before you order a single pane of glass, find your stove's data plate. You want the manufacturer, the model, and the serial number, because glass is cut to each stove's exact size and corner shape. There's no one-size pane that fits everything. 3 places to look: the back panel of the stove, which is the most common, under the hopper lid where you load your pellets, or on the edge of the firebox frame just inside the door. Snap a photo with your phone. That's exactly what we need to match your glass. Then head to the site and let it do the work for you. Pick your manufacturer, pick your model, and every pane of glass and every gasket on the page is cut and sized for that exact stove. No measuring, no guessing, no wrong part returns. Order today, and most parts ship the very same day. That's how you skip the guesswork. That's part 11 of Pellet Stove Parts. Ceramic door glass, the gaskets that seal it, and the clips that hold it in place. All in stock, matched to your model. Free shipping over $99, a 90-day warranty on every part, and 15+ years behind the same counter. Links in the description. Subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you next part.